Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at Original Speedway. For this time we are here for the Florida Karting Series sponsored by Vega. Alright guys, I feel like I'm all over the place this morning. Track's looking good. They flipped the dirt, so you know it's not gonna be as hard as it was last week. Should come in. We got a good cart count. Got both carts past tech. Tires are checked in. Got the tire prep already working. Seeing what we got going on there. We're heading out. We got a mandatory roll-in. We got a lot going on today. We got a mandatory roll-in, 2 practices. We go to a round of qualifying, and then we go straight into the features from there. We're gonna be running crate 375, then we're gonna run the heavy trophy race, then we're gonna run semi-pro for the pro race for the box stock. We're gonna stick with semi-pro and the FKS series this year. It's 5 races. We're gonna be in Callahan, Jasper, South Georgia, and Volusia. So we're definitely gonna try to accomplish that this year, and semi-pro just seems like a better spot for me. Obviously I've only been doing this for 6-8 months. We bit off a lot in Daytona, so we got here on track, see what it feels like, and come back at you. Slicker than I thought, actually. Is what it is. We'll throw the yellows on there and see what she's like in practice. Also, I've been warned. They told us, someone told me about it, about another race where I'm not going to be allowed to run the GoPro on the helmet. Not a big deal. We got the windshield mount, so we'll run on the mount on the windshield. Probably focus more on the box stock, so I'm not bouncing around too much. Slipping and sliding out there, both carts. We're actually about to head back up to get our second round of practice, and we'll move into qualifying. Just prep the carts to keep everything the same and just see how far we can push it, make a little better guess for gearing on the qualifying. Don't really have time between classes. Yeah, that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. No GoPro on the crate, but we're headed up there now. We're the first group to go out, and then we're going to be running, I think how so we got a heavy trophy race, and then we're going to run a semi-pro, which is a pro race. So we'll have 2 in the box stock. I don't know how good these are coming down. I added another zip tie, so hopefully it stabilizes, and yeah, let's go. Alright, that was a rough showing. Glad it wasn't on tape. Wasn't terrible, just the tires were too soft. Story of my life, but I'm running the rails in a back-to-back qualifying. I got like 1 class in between, so with only having 2 sets of the blues ready to go for today, I threw the yellows on thinking I can get away with at least a qualifying, but way too soft. So it's alright, it's great. Starting 11th. not mad at it. We got the cart, we got the chassis, as long as we get the tires right, and I feel pretty good where we're at in these blues. So we're gonna head out there here in just a moment and hopefully put down a little better, more impressive lap time. All right. Picked up a couple tents. I've been on the same gear all morning on both carts. Obviously that's an issue, but we haven't been able to get it locked down and go a little bit of that time, so we're gonna keep moving in that direction. I finally threw some gear at both carts. We went down 3 in a crate, closer to where we were last week, and closer to where we were actually a tooth more than last week on the other for the box stock. So hopefully we can find some speed there. Maybe we can settle in once we get some laps going. Not 100% what all the issue is, but not a big deal. Not gonna hang our head too much. Obviously just not have a good race day. This is what it is. Let's get out there, we'll turn some laps, turn it upside down. We got some features left, 3 races, so see what we can do. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Video's doing good, man. Hit the subscribe button. If you're watching this video for the first time, it ain't always this bad. I ain't always this lingering. So let's go get something. Let's go get something done.
$20 laps for the SPEC 375 crate. 20 laps, and we need Predators on grid A. We need Predators on grid A. We need Predators on grid A. Predators, grid A. Okay, we need Predators on grid A. Predators on grid A. Predators on grid A. Out on the track, running their 20-lap feature race. They're great. Predators, we need Predators on grid A. Junior 1, you'll be coming to grid B. Junior 1, you'll be coming to grid B. Predators. We need Predators on grid A. Predators on grid A.
Talk about a mood changer. What's up, baby? Man, I hope that came out good because we didn't have the GoPro footage on that one. From the back to the front, baby. That thing was on rails. The pedal was down, no lip. All the way, tires hooked, we were gone. We were out front. So we still got plenty of work to do today. Let's go do some. Also, the new crate track record on Vegas. 10.97, baby. 10.97. And I don't know if you can tell, but my man Jackson come all the way back up as well. Third place, secured the victory. He had the second fastest, but he still has the second fastest. So we are 1-2 on the record book. But God, that felt good. All right, we got stuff to do. Alright guys, not so hot and heavy. You know, we're obviously learning. Probably why crate and semi-pro is a good place for us. We've only been in these carts for less than 2 years, and box stock, I think, what, 6 to 8 months. So we're learning. Obviously, we're learning trial by fire, however you want to say it. But we had a good day today. Hung our heads early. Obviously, you guys seen the emotions in the video. Hit the home run on the tires. We're working with Bubba's Karting Concepts. We got Tyler Bronson. They're local. He's been helping me out, Kyle. Big thanks over there, man. We definitely hit. Spoke with him a couple times this week. He coached me through some things. Great help. He's got a good little program going on over there, and that's who we're moving forward with prep. Bubba Karting Concept. They got a couple different things in the starter kit. And someone suggested it. We dove into the starter kit, and it seems like we hit a home run, especially in a crate. A little bit of work to do in the heavy, but here's what it is. You can't beat what we accomplished today as far as getting that started. Crew did great. Jackson came around. Thanks for everyone coming out, supporting. Family was here. Mom, she made it. She's a little late. She's helping clean up a little bit. And everything else that goes into it. We got to figure out something spicy for the GoPro footage. I apologize. It was something I did at the track. We zip tied it to the front. Try to get something sturdy. We'll try to get a good mount. Like to get something where we can see the tack and the foot, our feet movement. I can't guarantee it, but we'll work on that this week so we can check that off our list, because it sounds like they're going to try to take away helmet GoPro for the most part. Here's what it is. It's adversity. We'll overcome it, move on, and get better in the process. Thanks for watching. It was fun. Back to the helmet, man. I really wish I had that footage. We went from 11th to 10th, or from 11th to 1st with authority, and she was flat-footed and she was just dialed in. So next time we'll try to might drop a video this week. If not, like, comment, subscribe. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. 1,000 was the original goal we set off to get. If you subscribe, thank you. If not, hit the subscribe button. The last video, 77% of the viewers not subscribed. Let's reach 1,000. Help me out. Help me out. Help me put a set of tires on a go-kart, because that's what it's going to do. If YouTube can throw me a couple bucks a month, they're going straight to tires. They're going straight to the go-kart, straight to the trailer, straight to anything and everything that keeps us out here, keeps footage coming. Thanks for watching. Later.